right, man, I'm gonna take this one, man, get a little cruise in. Now, I just paid the registration on this one, man, so I'm gonna drive this one, actually. So, let's go. Hold on, man, before we start today, let's get that going, man. You guys already know what that is. If you guys want that, man, these is coming, man. I got a link in my description, man, but I wish y'all would wait for a month, man, on the real, because I'm gonna get you guys even a better price. I'm gonna get you guys even a better situation, man. It's gonna come straight from me. If you guys got like a month, yo, man, I just want to say I appreciate you guys, man. I've just mailed out my last order. I'm completely sold out, man, and ghost lights, but I got more coming, man. I got plenty more coming. I got new designs. I got new stuff. All that shit is dropping soon, man. I promise you guys. It's about a month away for me to get the delivery of it, man. I just got the sample. I'm checking out the sample, make sure it's right. Everything is good. I'm gonna make an order, and it's gonna be here in a couple weeks. But shit, I'm about to sneeze. But yeah, man, if you guys still need the lights, man, I'll put a link in the description down below to an Amazon link. I'm cool with the person who's actually selling those on the Amazon joint. It's not me, but you can verify that shit work, you know, and that shit is legit. But I got some new logos coming. I hope you guys wait for me. I hope you guys can wait a month for me to drop my stuff, but if you can't, click on the link. I got a giveaway going on, man. A giveaway, man. This is gonna be a 500 subscriber giveaway, man, just to show appreciation. All you guys gotta do, man, is take a screenshot of my, you know, Mr. 300 or whatever YouTube, man, showing you guys to subscribe. And I want you guys to comment down below on this video. Just say whatever. You can put your Instagram joint. You can put, you know, what's up. You gonna put, I'm gonna hit you on DM or whatever you want. Comment on this video. And then I also want you guys to DM me the picture of you being subscribed to the YouTube channel. DM me that picture. Comment on this video. Like. Be sure to be subscribed. At 500 subscribers, man, I'm gonna have a giveaway. I don't know if I'm gonna do like 25 bucks, you know, or I'll give away like a pair of the lights when they come in, but however long it take, man, I don't know, man, but I appreciate you guys. I just want to get something back. I know it ain't a lot. And also, man, I be getting like 1 sub a day, man. That's from going to like getting like 1 sub a week, man. So I be getting like 1 or 2 subs a day, and it be like, God, bro, it be feeling good, man. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie, man. That shit is dope. Appreciate y'all, man. Appreciate y'all for sure, man. Anyway.